Yes, my YouTube people, thanks for joining up. So far, we are like 24 people here, and I have some shout outs from Nasasida. He says, thanks for the updates, Papa. From Isa Silva said, Gumite. Revis said, good morning. Hello, members. So, hope everyone is good. Now, today, I really wanted us to come early enough, okay? I wanted us to come early enough because I didn't want us to miss these entries that we're going to be having in here. And yeah, okay. So now I'm having in these two zones. I'm having in some a buy zone, of course, and a sell zone here. And when you look at these zones, I have reasons as to why I want us to focus on these zones right here. We are still few, and I know some other people will be coming and asking the same question, so I'll explain later on why we want to enter from these zones. Okay, Now, for me, I had in some small buys from my confirmations that I had in the morning. We are live on YouTube. Don't forget. I had in some small buys where I flipped my account. I think the zone was I was like the zone was around here. No, about here. So about from this zone earlier on, and I had in my confirmations giving me a sell zone at around this level. But what are we waiting on right now? I'm having in this sell zone. Let me type it down here. The sell zone is at this level to this level. Okay, and I'm going to tell you the reasons as to why I have my sell zones at these levels here. Hello everyone on TikTok. Thanks for joining. Thanks for liking and follow. Thanks for sharing this live. We are trading live on YouTube. The username is in bio, and we'll be having in these trading sessions every single day. So don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. There is a way it also gives me some vibe to trade more with you. So we are live on YouTube right now, and I'm giving out this signal, and it's a current one. So you'd rather come and join me. Which time frame is that? So this is a 15-minute time frame, and I always trade in the 15-minute time frame. Okay. Yeah. I don't know why people are not joining, but I think they will join soon. And okay, when you look at this market here, which pair I'm trading XAU USD, we are live on YouTube. We have been doing these lives every single day. So when you look at this setup there, and I think from morning we have been inside the range. Okay, we have been inside a range of around 49.80 to 50.30. That's the range that we have been in, and of course I'm having a buy setup at this level here, and because we are not yet there, I'm not typing it yet. I've only put in the sales setup, and those people on YouTube, I think you can have a full view on how we have to trade today, and we are in the zone. When you check on that sell zone, we have in these equal highs that you see around here. Okay, and now we have a tail breakout that buyers sit above this level of the 50-30, and now we're in the zone. And I told you people that this depends on how much capital you're having. So when we're in the zone, the way I've put the zone here, okay, we always tend to those people with small amounts should always wait for at least a sniper entry. Okay, so we use a sniper entry for those people with small accounts to enter in the trades. And we need some confirmations, some bearish confirmations for us to get this market triggered. Someone said, Fuzzy Pro said, do we have also a session tomorrow? No, tomorrow we might not have a session. Tomorrow we might not have a session because we shall have a full breakdown analysis on Sunday. I think. So join first so that we could have in these entries here. The stop loss of today is a bit big. It's a bit big because yeah, it's about there. So This depends on how much capital you're having. That's how you enter in these trades. So everyone who is here, let's please, yeah, you have $30. You join on YouTube. Let's have in these entries traded together. So we are in this zone. Let's please enter in. Yeah, this is my account, and you will have to rewatch later. Let's enter in. Okay, let's enter in, and we see how much we could make today. If we fail today and hit the SL, we shall again look for any entry level again. But yeah, the SLs small is a bit big. Let me also put it here. Let me also put it around there. And if those zones are broken, we always tend to get in other entries. So my people on TikTok will be having in these live sessions on YouTube every day. And please, when you search on that username or you tap the link in the bio, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Whew, we're having in some liquidity sweeps around here. And man, this is a huge sweep. I'm having in some positions that I've put in. Let me say I've put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've put in 10 positions right now. I'm holding in some 10 positions, and I want to see how the market will react so far. And in the morning, I had in some buys here, but again, I was not able to hold because sometimes you have to secure the positions. But the moment I had in these buys, this market moved, let me say, from this zone up to this zone, it has moved around 370 pips. And those buys I'm talking of are here. Let me check out. Those buys I'm talking of are here. These are the buys I had in the morning, and this was a smaller account actually. And when you see these buys about from 5,001 to 50 at somewhere at 5011, 5012, where I secured. But again, if this was a smaller account, I had in a lot size of 0.6. Okay, if I was holding till now, that would be $600 times 3, and that's around $1,800, something like that. Yeah, but I secured, and I want to have in these trades that we have in here. So we need some candle closes on 15 minutes. We need in some good confirmations for this trade to move well for us. We are live on YouTube. Username STUARTFX Flipper. So you want to see how today will move. It is the end. It is today is the today is Friday, and we don't normally trade Saturdays and Sundays. So waiting for these candles to react the way we want them to react so we can have in our cells. Nasasra said that we have to repost this session on my account. Yeah, I always repost these sessions so that everyone could watch later. Yeah, I always repost them. It is so far sitting around 5039, and those people with small accounts, you could enter in. You could enter in. You could enter in. New people ask me how I get sniper entries, and that's how I get sniper entries. I wait for some liquidity zones or some liquidity levels, then I enter into the market so I could, get some amounts. You people have small accounts. You always ask me, Stuart, how do you flip small accounts? That's what I do. I wait for market to be, liquidating the levels that I have. And I told you the reason why I want to use this level as my sell level. I told you that I am waiting for this equal highs to be swept so we could, having some entries. Someone on TikTok is asking, bro, join our YouTube channel. We have in a live trade. We have in a live signal right now. So you check on our YouTube channel now. The link is in bio so that you could join. At least I need some people to subscribe. Yeah, and also share the live. The more you subscribe to my channel, the more you know. Isa said, Mom, I'm already, I'm already in. Okay. Then Fast Pro said, can I enter with my 30 USD? Yes, you could enter with your 30 USD. You could enter with your 30 USD, but of course you have to have in some good risk management. You have to know that maybe if you're not willing to risk the $30, risk $10. That will be good. So we are in the same zone. We're in the same zone. We're in the same zone. Kasule said gold back at the weekly open. Okay. Good QM. I don't know what you meant by that. Could you please tell us more about the QM that you mean? Your NF free signals. Yeah, link in bio, of course. Which pair is that? Of course, gold. Link in bio. Link in bio. Please don't forget to subscribe. I know when some people make money, they just run away. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel because it will keep me more, to keep me more in the game. I will feel like you people are appreciative. Now we are closing this 15-minute candle, but of course above our entry, which makes this setup, to be a bit or a risk setup. Yeah. And also there is one thing I'll teach about. It's about candlesticks. We always now like this candlestick which has opened. I've not watched it closely. I was not on the charts, but when a candlestick opens and it opens, let's say bullish, just know you're going to be having in sales. But if it opens bearish, those are buys. Yeah, you should also know about the candlestick. Also that's a very good uh, confluence that someone could be having, whether it's holding in some positions to either hold or get a way to quit. Hello viewers of TikTok, we are live on YouTube. We'll be having in these entries every single day. So don't forget to subscribe. Arafat said he just opened up. Let him hope he has not missed you. You've not missed much. She did not. You've not missed much. You're still in that zone where you could enter in and risk small on this setup. So I think in the previous 2 weeks I've had like 302 subscribers. That's also good. But at least by the end of this weekend we should have something like 500 subscribers. Uh, we're trading live on YouTube. Don't forget to please subscribe on my channel. And also, if you want the free trading community, the link is in bio so that you get in these links very early enough. You don't need to miss out. I always recommend you to enter in fast so that you don't miss out. And also, people on YouTube, we have in that link also in the description. You could please join my other channels so that we grow together as a community. And for the recommended broker, you should also tap the link in the bio. I have a recommended broker for you guys. And if you have in some good capital, can help you trade it out. So let's hope this is the final liquidity level and this thing to drop from this level at least to some good pips. We need to make some money. We need to make some money. We need to make some money. This question is from Alan. Which time frame do you use? I use 15-minute time frame. Twahili asked which strategy do you use? I use a lot of strategies. I use a lot of strategies. That's what I can tell you. But of course, price action is one of them. ICT and SMC is another strategy that I use. I use BTMM more so if I'm on my trading, my MT5, my MT5. Yeah. What lot for 500 USD account? That question is from Benji on TikTok. Now, I think for a 500 USD account, you could check that video that I've made in the morning, where I made over 614. Let's say it was about like 10 to 20 minutes, but it was a 400 USD account, and I even moved out fast. I secured out fast, but if I had to hold till now, I'll be having that account would have made $1,800. So it depends on how much you're willing to risk on that account. Yeah, I do supply and demand. I do it, but of course I just have it in my head because I learned it. So even if I don't draw that zone anywhere, I just know that we have a resistance level here. This is supply and demand. This is a break and retest. This is what and what. Now those people in price action, they could call this a break and retest. They could call this a break of this level, and then a retest, then a continuation. Okay. And also I entered from here, so I can enter from here without me saying that I'm in a continuation, I'm in what and what, I'm in what and what. Yeah. So for the free Telegram community, here is it. Yeah, that's what you search on your Telegram for the free Telegram community. It has also grown. It is now in 3,210 subscribers. Uh, this thing is moving slow. I don't know what time is it. Stroke. I don't know if we are late for this setup, but it is so slow. Don't forget to tap the link in the bio to join the free Telegram classes that we'll be having over the weekend. So as we wait for gold, to move, let's also look at some other pairs. Let's look at GBP USD. For GBP USD, I think we gave it less concentration, because now those people who are stuck on demand and supply, price action, what and what. This is the zone. This is the people who trade price action. Do you call it demand or supply? This zone here. So now on this zone, we see some liquidity grab, or what we call the manipulation level, and then we had in some buys. We had in some buys on this level, and of course, someone to put his first take profit, he'll put his first take profit around here, because that's when we have these Asian highs, and these people could, come get the Asian highs out and then maybe retrace. So this one has already left us. I think from next week we shall now start concentrating on these other pairs, okay? Because there are a lot of people who trade these pairs. Sometimes if we give it less concentration, some people miss out. So market could buy to this level. More is good in giving these signals that work out later. So it could work up this level and then having some sales from this level to the downside again. Don't forget to subscribe, share this live. Let's go together as a community. There is a saying that Honorable Ozuri says, "Follow ine oine mujimpe." Bro, you have one following. Give it to me on my YouTube. Let's work together. It's always hard to give in these setups. It's hard. The balls I have to, look at your other people. They can't give all these signals, live signals. It's always hard. Me coming here to tell you, man, this thing is going to move from here. I give you some explanations. It's always hard. Okay, gold is performing well. Want it to perform more better. I had someone who commented on EU, and that's Kevin Lubega. Lubega, my clanmate. Yeah, I also have a brother called Lubega, so you're my clanmate. Also, EU, that's the same thing. That's the same thing I've explained on EU. We had in this zone here where these guys had to, liquidate or manipulate, okay, and then they are by continuations. That's what I say also. The same structure with GU, by the way. If you look closely, we also have some small fair value gap here. We're having some small fair value gap here, where I expect it to also drop from or break and retest and then do the same thing. So trading is always easy as long as you have that strategy that you trust, okay. Someone is talking, this is on YouTube also. That's Eddie Gahudson is talking about candle range fury. That's a CRT, okay? Also, that's a good strategy. I think let's talk about these simple strategies on the weekend, on Sunday evening. I'm going to spare my, my time. I'm going to spare my time over the weekend. I will leave on going out. I'll have to come or before going anywhere, I'll have to come here and having some explanations on how these things work. There are some simple strategies that you get from me, okay. Some things don't need mentorship. They need you to understand before you even get mentorship. I don't know how many people. Kasules Raymond is said that I'm seeing sales on YouTube. I didn't understand on YouTube. But we are. Let's hear this live today. Let us make like over 100 viewers today. Real time 100 viewers. And on gold, we had in some small liquidity grab, but it is selling. Someone crazy chili FX said, I came late. I know I came late, but we are selling gold. Please, you do what? You click on that notification button so that you get to know. And you're not late. You're not late because what you're seeing right now, I've also checked. Some small profits. Some small profits, but we had in gold spike up to this level and it's now dropping. Okay. Man, this is how these things work. You just have to be patient, man. Kasirie said, man, some broker, I said some broker, chiganyo kutekayo gold. But I told you the best broker is in bio. The link is in bio. That's equity. You just because they take you direct to the what? To the markets. Okay. Someone just followed me. Thank you. You also help me subscribe to my YouTube channel. AMD, please. That question is from Quotanic Group. Yeah, I think we should also explain about that. Someone asked in the trading life. Yugi asked, "Are we in the trade already?" Of course, we're in the trade. We're in the trade, of course. To enter in, and those people who have not yet entered in, you can also, you know, enter in from that level because I think it is the same level. Yeah, thank you guys. We have hit 3k and plus some 200 subscribers. Yeah, that's also energy giving. You know, if I tell you how much man I'm in so far, man, I'm in some small man. I mean, like $12, man, 12 USD. Huh? But I know we shall get some good amount. Edgar said accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Of course, bro, I'm going to work on it. I'm going to teach you that thing, but more so that's in mentorship. We have someone called Sports Avenue. He said, bro, it's already dropped. Yeah, it is selling. Maureen Sembatia asked me if I meant. Of course, I meant a link in bio. I do mentorship. Some 32 years. Let me be back. Mentorship, how much? Link in bio. Let's talk about that. Maybe back in a minute. People on TikTok. Okay, now since I talked about us being live, I now have I'm in live with my people here, and bro, the thing is dropping. Bro, please share this video to your friends so that they don't miss out this. Let me show you one thing, man. Let me show you one thing. Man, here's the if you remember the explanations I gave, man, thing is dropping, and we are live on YouTube. I'm having in some 40 people live. We're trading live. Please subscribe to the channel. My people on YouTube, please comment that we are making money. Please comment that we are making money. So this is it. Thing is moving crazily. Let's hope it will drop more. Okay. Because right now what it is doing, it has given us some it has given us someone is making you making money. We are making the money together. Not me alone. Not me alone, bro. We're having in some pullbacks. I don't know if those are retests. I don't know if those are retests for other people to enter in. The market is also delivering slow, but at least we're seeing where we're going right now. Okay, we shall see how this trade will move. I think we have more 30 minutes here because I'll do this for 1 hour. Then we shall just hold and hold. This take profit is around 320 pips of gold. That's good amount, but I don't think we shall need to reach that level. When you see you've made some good amounts, I told you guys, when you see you've made some good accounts, you set take profit. When you hit your take profit one, you can secure some, then set break even. It's also some, today is a Friday. I don't want us to go in the weekend, crying. People on TikTok, we are live on YouTube. We're live on YouTube and we're making money. I gave out this signal very early for us to enter in, and we are making some good amounts. I'm very happy that we are growing like a community, and we're getting some encouraging results. Yeah. Someone called the trading life hack, the trading life. Yeah, he said my 20 USD profit was in viewers. Man, I also saw some good amounts, but also in the viewers because we had in some, this retest. But again, I think you're in profit right now. Yeah, you are not in viewers. You're in profit. We are still holding. We're still holding. Someone I'd like someone to talk about the market chart. Levi said it's coming home. Yeah, it's coming. It's coming. Let's make it 100 people today. Let's make it 100 people. Share to your friends, share to your communities. What's the reason for the sales since the higher time frame? Bias is bullish. That question is from Bill Chimba. Okay, now Bill Chimba, thanks for the question. The first thing I want you to acknowledge. The first thing I want you to accept that is that we are in profits. Okay, that's one thing. So when I'm jumping onto your question, okay, I had in these explanations. If you see this if you see this replay of this live, but we had in these I had in some cell confirmations that I don't put in here. Okay, and again I had in some eco highs that were here. So we were waiting. Oh, I came here. I was waiting for some good time before even coming here to I was waiting for these levels to also be liquidated. That was also another confirmation for me to sell. Okay, and when they liquidated those levels, we had to enter in sales. There are a lot of things that I don't put here, or a lot of things that I don't explain here. But the more we be here, I'll be explaining one by one so that everyone benefits. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So another thing in forex trading, you need patience. If you're not patient in forex trading, sorry, it's hard for you to get. Sorry, it's hard for you. You know. Of course, we always expect someone called Arthur. He said, "Thank you, bro, for the commitment." Yeah, you're welcome. We need to do this for. Actually, we are doing this for years. I'm going to be here for. Let's first talk about this 1 year that we are in. Okay. So we have been some more other 30 minutes here, and we are trading live on YouTube. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this. Fuzzy Pro said, but the English is too much, of course. And he said, so Ngabi clan will gather. You can gather. Zatari Zuwena. Yeah. Hello Vanessa, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Link is in bio. Some names are hard here. Hard to read. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are trading live and we'll be making money every single day. We'll be making money every single day. That's what I can assure you. Right now, I'm sure everyone is not in loss. We are in profits, but we are in small profits, and we are holding in more so that we could get in some more profits. But if you feel you reach an extent and you've made enough, I always advise you to come back tomorrow. Tomorrow is also another day. Not. Uh, we having someone here trading live said, I think gold will push during the London, New York overlap. JP Morgan is still sleeping. Yeah, but we can scalp in more. That's what we're doing. I had in some profits, but we are moving. Someone said, yeah, we are moving, of course. Because I last saw I had in some loss when it went up, and now it came. I had in some loss where it came to $3 profits. I also, because I'm on live, I can't see my chart, but I saw in some 59 USD profits. Again, I saw it went down. I didn't see how much it had made. So far, I'm seeing 98, 95 USD. And I think if it drops more, we shall keep on making more money. We are live on YouTube, trading live on YouTube, and we're making these live sessions every single day. We have in some more 20 minutes here. Someone called Tugaine Nicholas said, thanks for the signals and educating us. Yeah, RSB here to educate you. Um, I don't know if today we are only Ugandans here. Could you please? Last time we had in some people from South Africa. We had in people from. Someone asked which UTC are you using? I don't know today. What countries are you guys from? What countries are you guys from? Someone asked about the UTC that I use. I wanted to show it to you here, but as I told you last time, I'm not so good at technical issues. But I think with time I will learn. But I always use the negative for. I normally change, but then I have to target the New York's and what? Someone said it's from Costa Loca. Man, thanks for coming in. I think I've ever heard of that country. We have in more 15 minutes here. So please, those people who have not entered, who had not entered, you could enter. You said the richest, so you could enter. Let's hold and see how much we could make. Someone said Costa Rica. Okay. Kevin Rebecca said, bro, can I meet you? That depends. That depends, bro. Someone, Moby King, said, just know I'm trying as much as possible, but things are still apart. Link in bio. Link in bio. The markets are moving crazily. They show you some $200 profits. They then come back to you're not having any $18 profits. Man, let's hold. My people on TikTok, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's where we'll be having in these live sessions every single day. I'm having in some, it's exciting, attracting to light. So please to join the free trading community. The link is in bio. Miracle Rhymes said Seba Mori is here daily. Thank you, bro, for the support. Rebecca said we have news in the evening. Okay. Yourself news will react also. Mike said the 256 farm. I know you guys are always here. Arafat Moviru said thanks for the signal. I'm trading with 11 USD. Yeah, it can go up to 100, then from 100 to 1,000. So people on TikTok, that's what you're always missing. You don't get these signals in time. And you can see that we'll be live on YouTube, and these people get these signals in time. And you can see how gold is dropping, and this signal was given out in all. This link was given out in all my trading communities, and you can see how these things are moving. I always having these setups every single day on our YouTube. So sorry, it's encouraged for you guys to tap the link in the bio so that you could join me up. Yeah, made in so far some good amounts. I'm dropping and making in some small amounts on my MT5. So whenever you see me post, I'm always at my MT5 checking how this thing is playing out. What you can see. Eric said, "How are you doing, Stuart?" Eric, I think today you're late. You've been always here, but Kevin Vega took your number, your thing, your spot. I see #1 on him. I think he has been here. I see Isa Silva. Yeah, you commented earlier. You've commented again, say showing us some dollar signs, meaning someone is being made. I'm live with my people on YouTube, and this thing is free of charge. Just subscribe to our channel. Yeah, and you can see that this thing is dropping. Let me tell you one thing, guys. If you think trading is easy, then everyone could be giving out these setups and signals, like confidently. But since trading is hard, that's why you see few of us come here and be like, okay, if I've set my SL here, I've set in my entry zones here, I'm giving reasons on why a gold is trading from here, gold is, from here to here. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we grow together as a community. Now it's moving. Markets tend to be slow, but you can see how things are right now. Yeah, also on my that account that you have been growing, in some profit. Someone said which time frame? I mean 15-minute time frame. That's where I mostly send that's where I mostly make my analysis from. Yeah, and we are moving. So people on TikTok, when you don't come to YouTube or you don't join my channels, you're always missing out, because I've spent 1 hour here on TikTok, but I had in this, we made analysis together on this, okay? And let's say if it drops from this zone up to now, this zone, what will you guys say? You know, what will you say? Will you say that you missed it, yet free links are in bio? Huh? Always having, I don't know, but I'm always good at this. I'm always good at trading with people. Somewhere, and we always be live on YouTube. Could you please join here, and at least we make it like we be like 100 people here. That's good. And you can see the comment I have from Isa. He said, "Much respect, bro." Um, Having Arafat, he said, "Bro, the market is dropping. Thanks for the signal." Yeah, that's always what I do. And I'm always happy when people are earning with me. I'm always happy when people are earning with me. I'm always, I'm always good at trading live. That's what I can tell you. I just stopped working on my personal growth, but I want us to grow together as a community. You see, when insects are coming around me so that we grow together. Bro, the thing is dropping. Let me show you. Let me show you. The thing is dropping. You're always missing all these things in my channels. The link is in bio. Join me. We had this analysis together with my fellow traders on YouTube. And bro, Stuart, whoever the Kutube, now you can see the comments. I'm getting some good comments. Yeah, I'm always here for you guys. And I've made some good amounts. I don't know if I could show you my MT5. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if I could show you my MT5. I'm making some crazy amounts. But even insects, yeah, insects are also attracted. I see them jumping around me. I think they are, Amazaanze gabukubye gwe gy'obumanya. Yeah, we are moving, and bro, if we move to this level here, you don't know how much we would have made. Huh? You don't know how much we would have made. So the link in bio so that you guys don't miss out uh, the entries that I be having on a daily basis. Let me also remind you so that you don't forget. Link in bio. All my links, free trading community, free what link is in bio, and we give these setups in time. I'm always trading live on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm having some viewers, and I having this man. People are saying, remembers money is coming. He's saying, show us your MT5. Do you want to scam me? You want to scam me? I have faith. But I can take a screenshot and I put it in my Telegram. If you're in my Telegram, I can put it in my Telegram right now. Let me take a screenshot. Because I grew this account from. So I've put it in Telegram. No. Okay. So I had someone saying, please show us some something, somewhat. So I've put it in Telegram. I grew this account from uh 50, no, from 400 USD today. You see, I grew it from 400 USD today. You can see. Okay, I removed this buys early, but I had to secure some. Okay, and you could check on today. I've right now when I told you let me take the screenshot, I'm in so far 300 USD. So meaning the account is growing. Okay, the account is growing. Yeah. So that's it. So you people on YouTube, let me show you the thing I'm talking about. You could check my Telegram channel because I think you guys are in the Telegram channel. Let me show you what I'm talking about. These are the current trades. I have in many accounts, but this is I always want to show you the accounts that everyone could manage. Okay, so I grew this from 400 today, and now it is in 1,357 USD. Yeah, that's some good amount. Some good amount for an average Ugandan. So those people who are with me from from morning, they're making in some money. The link is in bio. Yeah. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you know. And another thing that I'm going to do, let me go secure some little profits. Yeah. So please don't forget to subscribe, and the link is in bio. Link is in bio. I always give these things early enough. You know, it's hard for people to trade live with you. If you knew that, you would be on my YouTube right now subscribing. I always do these things. And the link is in bio if you want the community free of charge. Yeah. You know how you'll be happy. You know, I entered in from Samsung here. Samsung here. We are in up like 120 pips, man. And I've been live crying for you guys. Join the YouTube. Join the YouTube now. See. See, we are making money. We are making money. That's what I can tell you. That's what I can tell you. And if it has, it is giving these bearish candles, just know we shall move down. Link in bio. Link in bio for any service you want. Isa Silva said we are subscribing, bro. Bro, subscribe. Subscribe. Yeah. Lubega Clanmate said we take some partials. Yeah, take some partials because 100 pips we have got 100 pips so far. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Username is STUARTFX Fripper. And the link is in bio. We are dropping, bro. This is energy. That's what I tell you. When I tell you I'm international, don't think I always be joking. Man, I do these things in real time. I don't want to give after setup. I don't want to show you that this is my after setup. Since I got from it. No, I need us to grow together. That's why I'm like, bro, join. Let's make the money together. So, people here on TikTok, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I keep on doing these lives every single day. We're dropping and making some good amounts so far. That account I showed you in my Telegram group is now in 430 USD of profits. So I'm like, if I make 500, should I close? Should I close? Me, I'm closing some trades. I'm closing some trades because you never know if market can spike up again. So since I've hit 100 and something pips, I'm close. Bro, why am I even closing? Why am I even closing yet? We are moving down. Bro, I didn't even have to close these positions. You know, I didn't have to close these positions for sure. I didn't have to close them. We are live on YouTube and making the money on YouTube. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Guys, I've secured some profits. Yeah, because I have someone said it's called Agre Brown. He's saying 100 pips are more than enough. Of course, bro. People give out take profits at 20 what? 20 profits, 20 what? But me, I already have good pips for you people. So, yeah, that's it. So if you're not with me, if you're not making money with me, then guys, I don't know where you are. You know, where is making money here? Where are you people? Link in bio. Hey people, hey people. Now, this is the setup I was talking about. The setup is moving. You know, I'm with my people here on YouTube, of course, and you're making them, and I'm having in some people saying, "Thank you, Stuart. We made in some good amounts. We did what and what, man. That's a good move. Wow." And we had in this trade. I showed you this trade when we are just beginning, and I gave you the explanations why this trade will drop to this level, and we are making the money, bro. Oh, so I don't know if you're not with me, if you're not in my community, I don't see how we shall grow together. Yet you're seeing the work that I've been doing. Okay. We're having YouTubers here. We are trading live every single day. We're having in this setup that is moving very well on YouTube. So I don't know why you guys want to miss out. Big up. Thanks. Yeah, there you can secure some. We've made some good amounts. Yeah. So this signal you see has not come, from air. I've been trading live with my people on YouTube. Hope you can check. And we have milked this setup together. We have milked it together. You can see this cell here. Of course, this is an old picture. I made more money than this, but what I wanted to show you is that I grew this account from just this amount today. It was on from this amount today. Now we are in $1,500. So guys, you see the reactions I'm getting. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to trade live with me. Yeah. Issa said we are dropping shit. Of course, bro. But now I'll have to, since we are in profits and I'm also a bit tired, shall come back in another session. Thanks for subscribing to this channel. Thanks for loving this channel. Thanks for sharing this channel to your friends. Yeah.